What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I wanted to hop on camera to give you a SMS Phone Leads review, and I want to show you a way that you can generate leads with this business. And this is an SMS platform that I use on a normal basis for those who are struggling online to try to get leads to your opportunity. SMS Phone Leads, or should I say SMS Marketing, is one good strategy that you can use that can really get you targeted traffic, because you get people that's looking for your opportunity. When you send out your phone number, once they text or call that phone number, you will be receiving a text message back to see that someone that's interested in whatever offer that you present to them. And that's what makes SMS marketing so powerful. 98% people have their cell phones and they look at their text messages to see within that first 90 seconds they see the message pop up on their phone. So you could look at the ratio with that versus email marketing, which is about a 15% rate of people opening up their emails. So that's why SMS took a bigger advantage when most people join up with SMS marketing and using that in their arsenal on their way of marketing. So I'm going to show you a way you can generate leads using this program. Now, there are many other marketing platforms like this. This is not the only marketing platform that's out there, but this is the most, by far, which I have the most reasonable one since the one I have ever joined. That's most reasonable and cost efficient. I've been using this quite some time, and it helped me out to get sign-ups. I've been getting sales with this, and this helped me out to present all of my other offers. So one way that you want to be able to get leads, they have what you call the SMS Interactive. Now you hover over here over product access, you're going to scroll over here on SMS Interactive. This particular feature helps you to gather up at least 3 different websites that you could be able to promote. And I have 3 right here. You see program 1, program 2, program 3. So I get 3 that could go in a rotate. It's not really a rotator, but whenever someone clicks or they call that number, it's going to be a virtual assistant that start talking, and she's going to send this text message where you could join any one of those opportunities. So it'd be a choice if someone choose to be a part of one of those or check out one of your opportunities. So it'd be a choice upon the lead. So you're going to have your cell phone number. Once you get signed up with SMS Phone Leads, you're going to be presented you a number. So I'm going to show you my phone number right here. So this is the phone number that I got. 2 phone numbers, by the way, because you could buy as many cell phone numbers as you please in the back office. This is the amount of credits that you get. So you could buy credits, you could buy extra credits. If you hover over on extras, you could buy credits, you could buy phone numbers. You also get your SMS referral link. But in order to get that referral link, you must be a member of Stripe. You must set up a Stripe account, and then that way you have access to getting your link, and you could be able to promote that link on various traffic exchanges. You can put it on different ways of different sites that you could market on. Also, you could be able to do voice. Now this feature is really for if you have a voice messaging system. If you got like a third party voice messaging system that you could connect with this, sending them your number, and then they can reply with your number that's a part of SMS Phone Leads. You could use that. Now you probably wondering, how can you really promote SMS Phone Leads to the fullest? One way that I do it is through Craigslist.com. And with Craigslist, this allows you to post ads in different cities, and in order to really get that traffic of people that's looking for your opportunity. So most thing I go into like the sales, the biz ops. That's pretty much where you will find those type of people, the small biz ads. You want something that you could post under that subtitle. And once you post that, I'm pretty quite sure most of you do know the procedures of Craigslist on how to get your ads posted. And you want to do it in a way where you don't get your ads ghosted or blocked, or flagged. So, you want to make sure you put less spammy titles and less spammy. And you don't want to spam your link, because that's one way to get your account ghosted and flagged. So that's why it's good to have this phone number. That way you can have this phone number and send it out on the ad. And then when people go to your ad, you can say, hey, text cash to 555-555, whatever your number is. And they'll text that number or they'll call that number, and they're going to be received the automatic text messages on your behalf. So the training on this, once you go in the back office, they're going to show you training on how you can set up the voice. You're going to click on SMS Vault. The Vault going to give you step-by-step tutorial, give you some question and answers, what you need to know about the system, how to work the system, how to get it all set up. All that will be shown in the back office once you hover over extras in the SMS Vault. So, like I said, it's two different ways you could promote this thing. You could do it regular voice. You could do it the SMS way, where you send out the text message and it'll be that one opportunity. This shows you how you can get paid. Now, to get started with SMS Phone Leads, it's a one-time $10. $10, you just gotta pay $10. That's it. And these are upsells that you can use. You can see them on down. You can sell a product for $39 a month, $207, $99, and $77, all the way up to $225 of all materials that you can sell just off of one lead. So that's very powerful. And this is something that people could use to get those quick commissions, because when you get online, when you first starting, more people will join you if the offer is low ticket to free. That's when a lot of people, I didn't see studies with that it works like that, but that's what makes it more effective. And then on the back end, if you have any high ticket affiliate products, you could send them, to people that like and trust you. So you want to build an engagement. You want to build, and also you want to follow up with these leads too that you collect. You want to follow up with them. And you want to make sure that they getting those emails out, and they see your opportunity, because most people don't buy on the first try. It may take them 5 or 7 times to actually, be interested in purchasing from you. So, you just got to warm those leads up, engage with them, make them get comfortable with you, and then, you can have signups, later on down the line. So that's what the thing of email marketing. But see, you could put email marketing and SMS together. You could be able to make it'll be a dynamic force. So, like I said, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you check that out. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and like and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tips and tricks and strategies that I have for you guys. If you have any comments or any questions or concerns about SMS Phone Lead, leave your comments in the comments section. All right. Also, connect with me on Facebook in case if you would like to talk and collaborate with me on Facebook. I usually be on there most of the time and answer other questions, concerns. I understand that it's hard to find a sponsor to be able to work with. That's not going to leave you hanging, because I know a lot of gurus, they teach a lot of this stuff to us people out here, especially us newbies, and they leave us hanging. They don't really tell us the inside scoop of what really goes on when it comes down to affiliate marketing. So that's one thing I do. I love to help people with the affiliate marketing and showing them the ins and outs and the ropes that they need to know to succeed to becoming the entrepreneurs that they always wanted. All right, so that's all I have for you guys. Make sure you, like I said before, like and subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments in the comments section. All right, this is 00 with Astro. See you guys in the next video.